I guess my jackass too. A little bit. So much for always having each other. I mean, Dumbledore tore us apart. Are we like terrible best friends?
Maybe. But if we are, I hope we're terrible best friends forever. I'm talking graduation, college. I'm gonna be the bro of honor, Joe. And when you're like 100 at an old age home, I'm gonna be watching Bill next year.
I think it'll still be